back to Llanhilleth in the sun, well, relative sun. I found out that some of my Edmonds and Jones's relatives were here. I don't know whether that's one of them.
Hafodrynys, that is.
Yeah, that's where they were living. Hafodrynys, I don't know really. Maybe. If you find any Edmonds.
Age 29.
Oh.
Oh dear. 90. What's it? I can't see the date.
Ebenezer and Martha Edmonds. Now, I found them in the census, but I don't think they're any relation. But I think they lived quite near some of my relatives. I definitely found them. Elizabeth, Ebenezer, Martha. William Henry Edmonds. Now, I don't know. There's a lot of people here. His end was peace. Died 1829. Born 1854. Ah, I don't know. There's also Ebenezer and Martha. Charles Phillips, 1893. Grasshoppers. In the distance you can see Castel Taliorum. It's a mound. There was some controversy whether it is a burial mound or a castle. You can see it. That is it, Castel Taliorum. Still impressive, even without a castle on the top of it. They did some digging in the 1920s and they did find the remnants of a castle. And one of the castles, there's two possible castles around here. One of them was mentioned in Chronicles in 1233 and was burnt down by Llewellyn the Great. It's Llanhilleth, so I think it's Castle Hilleth. And it could have been that one, and it could have been the other one that's behind the pub now. There wasn't a pub there at the time. Oh, well there might have been. Some sort of tavern. Apparently there's snakes in the grass, adders, so I have to be very careful not to get stung or bitten by a snake. I'm already over here now. If they're grass snakes, not a problem. So, but there is a path. I'm going to just make my way very gingerly across. Is that a snake hole? Do they have holes? Henry Jones. Nice bit of dry stone walling here. In affectionate remembrance of John Carpenter. Wow. All those horror films and here he is. My relatives could be anywhere here really. So many butterflies. What that was? Yeah. Maybe that was part of the castle at one point. I don't know though, that's quite modern, isn't it? Probably not.
This is an ideal spot for a castle.
It is.
It's a fortress.
It's amazing.
Ideal spot.
See everything. So many stones. A bit of wall. Ah.
It's ancient apparently.
Well, yeah. It's very difficult to tell whether this is it or not because the pub is closed at the moment. Somebody said it was at the back of the pub and this is more at the side of the pub. So this might be something completely different.
Mound.
Yeah.
Definitely stonework.
Yeah.
So
but it's not really the same. It's not really what I was expecting, so I think it might be something else. A few years ago I came to this hidden canyon near Llanhilleth. Now it's a little bit more blocked off now and not really so accessible. I think the developers wanted to have quarrying here, but they have been thwarted a few times, but they're still trying to stop people coming to see it. There was a little stile and some rocks, and now is that sheep alive? Yes, that's good. I thought it was a dead sheep. Now, there were fires up here a couple of days ago. As you can see, people are just setting fires. That's a man-made fire. And in this weather, that's not good. But there was a way through there. And now, there's not really any way through there. It's just not really feasible, is it? I mean, you could get through there, And this is still a style. Hang on, I'm going to do it anyway. See how far I can get without getting knocked over. But you have to get through these trees. It's very inaccessible, really. You can still get through, just not easily. It's a bit of a sort of more hidden than ever. Just look at that. I don't know whether that's somebody did that or whether that's... Goodness. Wow. You can't really get down there, can you? I don't know. It's like it's far away. It's more hidden than ever. That's dangerous, isn't it? I don't think I can get any further than this without damage to life and limb. This isn't great, is it? Now, I don't know whether this was... It looks like they've chopped the trees down. And they've definitely tried to stop people getting through. Don't know what to do, really. Is it dangerous, do you think? Then it's going to just slip, isn't it? I don't know whether you can get to it from the other side. Maybe, can we get to it from the other side, do you think? This way. But it's not. I don't know. This wasn't like this. How far can you go? Now it's very scrabbly there. And it's completely fallen in. And just round the corner. You get to it from, I suppose, past there. But I think we're just going to stay here. So just imagine what it was before. And just, this is too dangerous, really. And now I have to get back again. This is, oh no. Well, how do I get back? Just go that way, this way. I'm gonna go this way. Whoa, yeah, no, I can find my way back. What? No, I'm fine, I'm all right. I'm not stuck, I found my way back. I just don't think it's safe to go any further because I'm not sure whether somebody did it or whether it was a landslide, but either way, this is not great, is it? Not really something that you want to put yourself through. I got stuck on a tree. I'm free. I could have gone further, but I was really afraid that it would tip further and then I would be buried alive. And that would not have been a good idea. And it would have been my own fault, really. So I've come away from there. I'll leave it for another day. Maybe it'll be better soon and somebody will landscape it if they buy the land. They might. Lovely landscape though. Yeah, you can get into it, you just can't get out of it. We found another path. I'm going to try going this way to see whether we can go and how far we can go. It might be easier this way, I don't know. Up we go. So we're going to try this way. I don't know whether you can get to it from this way, but we probably see over the top into the valley below. So that'll be something. Not the best sort of shoes for climbing rocky ground, but they were free. I don't know how far this goes. It's in the vicinity. I'm on my own now, so I hope it's quite close and that I don't get into any dangers. Hatch, I am so not equipped for this. I'm going to go around. Yay! What's that? Toilet seat? Yeah. Blair Witch Project. A lot of trees have been uprooted for various reasons. Don't know whether that's because of the dry weather. As with a lot of my adventures, this has sort of ended in a bit of a failure, but I'm going to call it a success in that I saw the valley below. I just couldn't get to it. It was just elusive in the distance, as things that are worth having often are. Maybe they've gone. It'll be easier for me. I'll take the high road and you take the low road and I'll be in Scotland afore you. Actually no, because the high road led to nowhere. This isn't Scotland anyway, this is Wales. I'm thinking this is the right way though. This is the right way. And go this way. Look at it. Thank you, scrambler bikers. Thank you for showing me the way. Nah. Well, it looks like, as with so many things, I gave up just before I would have found it. So I went back on the path again. Maybe that's a lesson in life for all of us. And that's the thing, if you go the wrong way, it doesn't matter how hard and how far you go and how much you really, really want it. If you've gone the wrong way in the first place, it's really difficult. Road less travelled, eh? Road less travelled led me nowhere. But the lake's all dried up. The splendid lake that I came to see is dry as dry can be. But it is spectacular from this direction. It's amazing. There's the lake, all dried up. Oh. So here I am, in the middle of the canyon. I came at it from the other side. Looked and looked, sought and sought, and eventually I got here. Yay! Oh, this has been a long, hard road. Getting from there to here. Hang on, that's the theme to Enterprise.